we want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending this doll to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my mini world. Today we are taking a look at a few Barbies that you might see on the shelves or online. Well, maybe not this one, since we pre-ordered it a while back. It's Barbie the Movie Kin with the Ryan Gosling face sculpt. This doll is a Mattel Creations exclusive, priced at $50. When I ordered this doll, I thought it was going to be my only opportunity to get a Ryan face Ken. But then this guy showed up first for $25. So yeah, there's that. The back of the box shows the dream house from the movie. Out of the box, he comes with a doll stand, a certificate of authenticity letting us know that this is a Barbie signature doll. It is possible to balance him to stand. He comes with rooted blonde hair, and it's kind of an interesting cut. He has a bandana, blue eyes, and a pink lip color, and he's not pixelated. Wears a colorful fleece hoodie that says, "I am Kenough." The hoodie has a working drawstring and a working front pocket. There is no opening in the back. He wears black pants with pink and white lightning on the side. They have an elastic waistband, and he comes with a pair of white shoes. And I just noticed he has a silver-colored necklace. It's a horseshoe with a horse on silver cord. At $50, I would have liked to have seen a chain or a plastic necklace. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, wrist. The leg can go forward and back at the hip and bend at the knee. And I would have liked to have seen made to move articulation as well at this price point. But you know, I am crazy about articulation. I picked up the Juan Gabriel Barbie and I actually found this one in store. Please forgive me if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. I got this doll for about $55. On the back of the box, we can see Juan Gabriel, the inspiration for this doll. Barbie honors Latin American music treasure Juan Gabriel, a prolific composer, singer, and songwriter recognized as one of the most influential Latino artists. Loving the packaging. There are pillars on the sides, confetti, and a band in the background. This doll comes with a doll stand, a certificate of authenticity letting us know this is a Barbie signature black label doll. Out of the box, this doll has the Odile face sculpt with a model muse body. So she pretty much has the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She has dark hair pulled up into a high ponytail. The ends have a little curl, but might need some attention out of the box. There is a curl that hangs down in the front. This doll has brown eyes, a little gold shimmer on the lid, and a neutral lip color. She is not shiny or pixelated. She wears gold-colored earrings that are removable? Yeah, they are. A gold and black plastic necklace. She comes wearing a black and gold bolero jacket. It has gold trim and is finished all the way around. It is lined with gold fabric on the inside. Underneath, she wears a strapless one-piece outfit. Well, it has clear straps, a little shimmer, and gold trim. She has a gold ring and a black microphone, and wears gold open-toe heels that don't really like to stay on. But that is just my experience, and yours could be different. I have been wanting this sculpt with a natural hair color. Here she is in pastels. I thought about rerouting the mermaid, but when I saw this one, I was like, yeah! She's not pixelated and has pretty neutral makeup. She needs a body. I'm hoping this made-to-move boxer will be a match. Looks pretty close, so off with her head. But first, let's remove some of these accessories. Place her in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and can be removed. Place it on the new body to make her made to move. The color match is not that bad. Let's give her a hot water rinse, comb it out. I give her hair a little curl to make a new made to move doll for the shelf. And if we need some fashion, here is the Barbie signature, styled by Maeve Reilly Doll. Hope I'm saying that right. Maeve Reilly is a fashion powerhouse known for her passion for emerging brands, love of accessories, and an A-list reputation in the fashion industry. On the box, it says no more than 20,000 worldwide. We get a certificate of authenticity letting us know this is a gold label doll. We get a doll stand and an articulated Barbie with blonde hair with a center part. My doll's hair is cut at an angle. She has blue eyes looking to the side, black eyeliner on the top and bottom, a neutral lip color. This doll has one earring that is removable, comes with silver and gold colored necklaces, bracelets, and a gold purse that the doll needs a little help to hold. She has a gold colored ring, wears a large faux leather coat that pretty much reaches to her feet, and it's an easy fit on Ken. Wears a light colored khaki top, kind of an oatmeal color. It looks strapless, but it has clear straps, and there's a hemmed cutout on the side. It velcros in the back and is paired with jeans with brown stitching, a waistband, and working pockets. These are wide leg jeans, and I think they look great. They velcro in the back and cover her shoes that are black strappy heels. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. If you're looking for a made-to-move body, the boxer might work as well. I just saw this doll on Mattel Creations, priced at $45. If you're looking for some deals, I was able to get the 2024 Holiday Barbie for less than the suggested retail price of $45. I got this one online for $40 and this one in store for $38.99. On the front of the box, it says 2024 Holiday Barbie, and on the back, we can see some of the available dolls. And above it, it says 2024 Holiday Barbie Doll. Wrap yourself up in the warmth, elegance, and festive joy of the season. May your 2024 Holiday Barbie bring peaceful and delightful moments to you and those you love. We get a certificate of authenticity and a red doll stand that is just about covered by the bottom of the doll's dress. Their faces look pretty clean, and I love the lipstick on this doll. They come with plastic bow earrings. There's some glitter in there, and they are removable. Both of these dolls have a little curl in their hair. However, this one might need a little attention out of the box. They have long red dresses. The top is a shiny red with a sparkly material. There is tulle at the shoulder. It goes across the chest. There is tulle at the waist, and it makes a large bow. The bottom of the dress has a plaid skirt with red, gold, green, black, and silver. There is a slit in the front, and the dress velcros in the back. They have red strappy heels with a bow in the front, gold painted nails on a Model Muse body. So they have the basic 5 points of articulation. If you're looking for body donors, Barbie Fashionista number 195 might work here. And for her, I thought maybe the Barbie soccer player, but that does not look like a match. Or the yellow top made to move Barbie. Here is Barbie Looks 12. I am struggling here. If you know a good match, please let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few Barbies. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.